Hallo, Rojbaş, Uselam. Unhem Bukheratın. Welcome everyone. Hoş geldiniz. La 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 la. Dun, dun, dun. Good morning, guys.
你好，
Ni
你好
hao.
吗？
Wow,
你好吗？
nice. I speak Chinese, yes.
你好吗？
Ni hao, ni hao. We speak every language.
This is your champion.
This is your champion.
I'll be going, and you'll be gone. I feel most alive when rapidly approaching my death. I suggest we analyze those grounds.
Copy that.
Go, Mr. Caustic.
Hostile link exploded.
Oh, don't kill me. Oh, we have one more weapon. We have two weapons. Ni hao, don't go. I'm coming.
Bro, can you revive me, please?
Ni hao, ni hao.
Pick up, ni hao. That's up.
No worries.
Where are you from, bro?
I knocked one.
Need to recharge my
Gas trap
Right here. Down one again.
deployed to variable.
patching myself up.
I still see everything.
We're close to the ring. 30 seconds left.
Enemy killed.
Ten seconds to the ring. Let's get started.
Don't die, coming.
Shields. Look out, Joker.
Gotcha.
Nice, ni. Revive, revive.
I'm not gonna revive.
Using a phoenix.
Thank you.
Kill leader. Nice.
Listen up, fellas. The ring's moving and we're on the wrong side of it.
I'm not gonna revive.
Reloading.
So if I do this, I'll jump? No, what is that option?
Got this weapon in here.
No.
Good. Enemy shield broken.
I'm hitting.
Oh,
Juicing me shields.
Deploying a variable.
Oh, motherfucker! Under. I didn't see this guy.
You're my door.
He was on the roof. I didn't see him.
Enemy taken out. Getting shot. Going to phase. Need to recharge my shield.
I trust in you. Come on.
Down.
Oh shit. One more team. I think I won't trust this, guys. This is too much. That's right. Oh man. There were so many teams. Oh, this guy was... I don't know what is happening. Who killed these guys? We got third party. I was fighting with Bangalore team and my team was fighting with different team. I understand now. What was the problem? La da 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 la 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 la. I don't know
You're good. I'm good.
which option makes
Donut's fault.
fuse to jump. Probably the last one, the one on the right side.
Yes, I'm the jump master. Knew it would fall to me eventually. Desperation.
Good morning.
This ain't too bad of a spot. And if we
Good
die,
morning.
blame our mate over there. Here we go.
Let's
mates.
kill them all.
Get messy.
Oh, there are 3 teams.
Let's check out over there, mate. Nothing does me better than an LMG. Putting up some amped cover.
Yep.
Tossing a flag. There's a four, mate.
That wasn't.
Amped cover for you, mate.
Yep. Is he chasing you?
Next string's
He's one.
now's the time to use
That's
it.
good shit.
Putting up. Nah, you good.
One back as well.
Better take a ball and chop. This place ain't for you. Pipe down, Susie. A minute's ticking. If we aiming to live, then best not foul it up, eh? My shield to recharge. Better take a ball and chop. Enemy down. Good job. Ring closes in 45. It's a little far, but if you quit, you die. So. They're shooting at me. Down to target.
Cover.
Oh, yeah, I got him. He's. Oh, no, he has no shit. He's flash.
Shield go.
Team right side.
Shot at.
Left side. Get my shield if you're in. On the roof.
Fuck,
Oh,
I
nice
missed.
try, bro.
Don't worry, it happens to the best.
I missed.
Yes, and not quite the best of us.
No worries, no worries. We still have to warm up.
Respawn beacon over there.
That's right. باران باری دنیا تاری تو اوینا دلم زانی لبندا خوش و خوشیان دهرک نوانچا Thank you, thank you. Please, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Nah, I'm just trolling. I'm not actually singing. Lan, da, da, dan, da, 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 dan. What should we play? Let's play Fuse. Let's keep playing Fuse.
Real men use iron sights. I use heavy artillery. Science time.
Let's go, Bansky. This time is gonna be better.
I hear you, bro.
Is your champion. Do not cross me, or my blade will cross you.
Hold on to your knickers, darlings.
Bloody hell. Enemy landed near.
Got some extra supplies here.
I'm down.
Ambush! There's another squad.
Nah, fair dinkum effort that.
Oscar Mike,
Oh, he destroyed me with the grenade, with the
give my shields a recharge.
wingman.
I might be got shot.
Joker right here.
Right above me. He's good with the wingman. Careful.
Another frag. They got me. I'm down. I cracked that Milligan shield.
Yeah, he's good with wingman.
I mean, I'm just gonna rush y'all. I'm just gonna run.
Replicator there.
You can go there
Reckon
if you
I'll
want.
use it. What you doing, mate? We're not here to shag. What are you doing, mate? We're not here to shag.
Hey, can I
spiders.
rush you?
The ring's close.
No, no, no.
Got a whole
Just go.
minute to
Don't
go.
risk it.
Okay.
He's still on my right side and Octane above me. There's no way.
What you doing, mate? We're not here to shag spot. Oh, you're not feeling so good, kid. Oh, you're not feeling so good, kid. What are you doing, mate? We're not here to shag spiders.
45 seconds, and the ring ain't far at all.
What you doing, mate? We're not here to shag spiders. What are you doing, mate? We're not here to clean out the You're not feeling so
Good shot, buddy.
Okay, this is the upgrade for me. Replicator there. And I dare say we could use it. 10 seconds. Ring's so close I can
That guy's
smell it.
insane with wingman, man.
It's all good, bro.
Let's go. Human owns when you got white armor. Yes. Exactly.
Care package being delivered.
Wait. I think women hits 50 now? Wasn't that 48? They have changed the damage output.
We've got an Evo harvester here.
Hey, got me another level. Time for an upgrade.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
I look on a third party this though.
I have a triple take. Let me change this.
Let me know when you guys go weapon.
Got me an upgrade. Clown spotted over here.
Numpty spotted.
I see them from here. I can zip up if you guys.
Just wait,
Pushing?
wait.
Yeah, blue.
Starting my shield.
Left one down.
Clown taken down. Enemy killed.
On the roof.
Reloading. A wee pick-me-up. Whole enemy squad has been fired.
Give my shield a recharge.
Oh, snipers. Careful, Janice. They see you from left side. They were shooting from this side.
An enemy. Juicing me shields.
I haven't played Fuse yet. This is the first time. After the new changes. How do I jump with my Q?
It's an upgrade.
But
Yeah,
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 I already did that.
Probably choose the wrong upgrade.
Grenade deployed.
Juicing me shields.
Where's that?
Cracked an enemy shield. Throwing out that.
Got one knocked.
Other one is a one shot.
Broken enemy shield.
What? Oh, left guy. Come on, goddamn, no.
I missed all my shots. Can't move.
No, man, you got that. He's coming up. He's resting. Yep, he's resting two. He's resting two.
Enemy killed.
On my marker.
Juicing
Time
me
to heal.
shields.
I'm coming.
Nice.
Enemy down. Juicing me shields.
He's resting again. Nice.
Enemy killed.
On me. Coming.
Oh, sorry guys. He was, I don't know.
Took down the kill leader. They were bloody dreaming. Watch out, Outlands. Upgrade.
We have a.
You have the upgrade, by the way. You just need to put your Q down.
I
and
did
then,
that,
and
but
then
I don't
run
know
up
which
your
one
Q
is
and then
that.
Jump.
I don't know which one is that. The problem is I have selected everything, but nothing works. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Alright, back for the weekend. Time to grab shot and rock.
Ring Spartan closing in 45. Last one in, owes me a 12 pack.
Let's see now.
Healing up.
I will try with the last update. Guys, I have so many mats.
What's in here?
Rejuvenating.
Oh, we don't need ammo. You got your stuff back?
Syringe here. Gonna, what do you say we move here?
Oof. Let's see if it's gonna work now. It doesn't work.
Right through the time to get nuked.
The previous game I have selected the left options and now the right ones. It doesn't work.
Attention.
They are resi.
Package over there.
Close by. Somewhere here.
Package
Enemy
incoming.
over there.
Y'all earned this. Just watch your bags.
Yeah.
Dropship's pulling in.
Look, you want to go for that care package, but let's go. Actually, let me get a care package. It's pretty close.
I wanna kill that. What's called Pathfinder. He was good. We have to kill him, otherwise he will do.
All right.
G'day. Enemy here. Reloading. Target shooting at me. Clown there.
Firing.
Juicing me shields. Another load's dropping. Hold on to your hats. Watch your back. Start going long. Serving them a knuckle sandwich.
Or here?
Round 3.
No, they're on the right. They're on the right. On me, right here. Lily, on this. I thought as well.
Looking
There's a team here as well. Don't go there. Don't go there. We're getting pinched. We're getting pinched. Come this way then.
Broke that enemy shield. Reload. One enemy knuckle buster.
1 minute till close. Ring me down. Only 45 seconds of free time.
One is on the right side, left side. Here. I mean close.
Ringing far. Hap.
Reloading. Juicing me shields.
Taking a wee back down.
Right here.
That hooligan shield.
Ah, can't help you, man. You're far.
I traded.
Okay,
Oh,
nice.
why you guys at no?
10 seconds.
You said not to go left, bruh.
Yeah, I did not. I was not even making any comments.
They got me.
He got favored already. There's 2 teams, by the way. Wait, I can
They're
come to
fighting.
you. You can rest me. They're fighting. They're fighting.
Clown taken down. On your feet, mate.
W.
Heal it up.
Ah, fuck me, bro.
This is the zone 3.
Yeah, I forgot. Low-key. trying
GG's.
to.
Oh, GG's. GG's, man. It was a good game. I should have evac covered before. Ah, god damn it. I thought it's gonna be safe and we can still steal some kills from that fight. It wasn't possible. All right. No worries. All good. We can't win all the games. Exactly. Bloodthirsty. We were bloodthirsty, but we got our kill. I mean, GB was so annoying. Hello, guys.
Congratulations. You just called in the big game. I believe in you. I hope you believe in me.
Introducing your champion.
Papa will be proud of me.
I'm Jump Master. Time to get rowdy.
Rats can be taught. You are something
Oh, you're not feeling so
lesser.
good, kid. Oh, you're not feeling so good, kid. Beauty of it. Who's their team?
The real Apex experience pops. We land here.
Hello, extended squad with there.
Where's my weapon? Gonna kill you.
First blood, and it's not us. Wonderful.
They're coming. Watch out.
Lucky us, we are already inside the ring.
Shot at. Recharge the shield.
Frag out.
GB, come here. Let's go up.
Enemy right here.
Frag out.
Got one.
Recharge my shields. Cloud taken down. Looky here, lads. We're inside the ring.
Giving my shields a recharge.
He dropped down.
Took out an enemy.
Jimmy Arkstar.
Oh, he's better. He's better. God damn it! He is very dead.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
La 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 la. Ah.
So many targets in so little time. Andiamo, ragazzi.
Let's not prioritize
Let's
alcohol.
make those drop kicks crack at dads.
They said legends don't fly, but I like to rise to the occasion.
Introducing your champion.
That area is a good target. We're in this together, amici. Let's go. I'm going to check out that area.
Hello, just thought I would let you know that I'm still not banned and
Enemy here.
oh shit! How could it be, bro? There is no Apex Legend developers. Oh!
Tidak ya.
I couldn't heal.
Attention.
You gotta be banned. You have to get banned.
I have more real fingers than you have.
And why do you cheat, brother? Why? I mean, what is the reason?
We've only got a minute.
Do you really feel good when you
Never leave your wingman.
kill people with cheats? Oh man. I mean, I don't mind dying, but when you kill with your skill, with your own skill, that's good. When you kill someone with your skill, that's satisfying. But if you kill people with cheat, I mean, what is the reason? Why would you cheat? Just try to get better. You will lose 100 games, but you will get experience. But if you cheat, you will get nothing. You will lose your abilities. People learn by their mistakes, playing bad. But you will learn one day and get better.
Got an upgrade. Ito na.
Are you guys? How do you not see that guy resin? Now you got it. Now you got it. Yeah, well deserved. Oh, Caustic. Run. Looks like it doesn't find the match. Let's go back to lobby and try again. La 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 la.
Taking fire, brothers.
Knuckle cluster out. Enemy squad. Here comes the old knuckle cluster.
Nice.
Okay, now I understand what we have to do. We have to press a button to switch between jump or cluster. I didn't know that. Bro, whose microphone is this? Toxic, your microphone is so loud, brother. What is that? Is that your PC's fan? Holy moly.
There's a one out there waiting for us.
Oh. Now he turned his microphone off.
Introducing
No, he just turned off. His mic is still open.
I'm Jump Master. Let's give this a blast, eh?
Yeah, it sometimes happens. You have to press again to the button to
only once
enable
have
it.
I failed to kill a target.
Let's land this bird right there.
It happens to me as well.
Review, eh? Let's rock and roll.
Get stuck.
An enemy landed near me. Miami knuckle cluster. Got an amp here. Bottomless batteries.
focus.
They're coming, boys.
Antagonist over here. I'm taking fire.
They have long ranges.
Behind the veil. I'm recharging my shields.
Frag out. Enemy shield broken.
Bro, this guy's cheating, no?
Countdown.
Great, I mean.
Killed an enemy.
I think he's cheating.
1 minute. Ring spitting distance, folks.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Target spotted.
Coming.
Frag out. Throwing Arc Star. Boy jumping.
Lethal harvesters are online.
Did you get your kills or?
Shields.
45 seconds. Grenade incoming.
Oi,
Thermite
ultimate's
grenade out.
ready. Ring will be closing in 30, but she ain't far. Got it. Drop the mother load. Pop your brollies. Recharging my shields.
Setting a portal.
Frag. Ring's close. 10 seconds. Hold on to the entrance.
Hold on.
Frag on long. Launching the arc. Here comes the old knuckle cluster.
I'm down.
On your feet, mate.
Contact with hostile.
Enemy shield.
Reloading.
That was the last one in the squad. Got me another level. Time for an upgrade.
Nice work. Care package over there. Care package over
You
there.
jump near your attack for a boost. This one.
Fusey's got an upgrade. Here comes the old knuckle.
Okay, now I understand.
Weapons enhanced and ready to dance.
New kill leader appointed.
I have a
New
better
kill
mode if
leader.
you want.
Barrel stabilizer here. Keep medkit here.
Need to recharge my shields.
There is a new kill leader.
Medkit here. Wind knuckle. Backpack here.
I
Level
could put
3.
that to use.
Oh hell, another squad's been there. Shield battery here.
I'm not sure about Braid, but she did great in the beginning. They're fighting here.
Well, hello. Signs of another squad there. Need an extended energy mag.
We'll find right here. No. Maybe here. No.
Cluster's firing.
Enemy injured. Fire. Over there.
Frag soaring. Knuckle cluster out.
I'm taking fire.
Frag. Half the squad's in dust. Using me shields.
Who killed you?
Punching a tunnel.
Enemy there.
Enemy shield. Juicing me shield.
Good lifeline.
Launching me knuckle cluster. Enemy down.
Shield broken.
Hurl an arc star. Juicing me shield.
Like one. What is happening, man?
Juicing me shields.
I gotta heal.
Killed us. Oh, reassemble here.
Reloading. Patching myself up.
One minute. Right here.
Let's cause mayhem here.
Down one, down one.
Enemy down. Launching thermite. Behind an evac tower. Fusey's got an upgrade. Here comes the old knuckle cluster. Reload. Rings near with 30 on the clock. Let's move. Launching me knuckle.
I shot at an enemy shield.
Nice.
Put away an opponent.
Making contact with enemy.
Let's go here.
Contact with target.
Last member's down. One squad closer to winning.
Rings coming in.
Footsteps.
Barrel stabilizer here.
Let us begin.
Let's go, brother.
Here back team come.
Don't worry. We're not aiming at you. Got hope. Care package over there.
I need to stretch my legs.
It's here.
Pilot here, mate.
This enhanced weapon will now make an undeniable mark.
Crafting. Contact with hostiles.
Yeah, I see him.
Enemy over there.
Clown there. Lucky me.
Reloading.
That's a good idea.
Here comes the mother load. Got a bit of a knuckle sandwich. Already inside the ring, fellas.
Over there.
Replicator being delivered.
Full Evo cache here.
Replicator coming down.
That way.
All right. They were duo, I guess.
Enemy spotted. They are far. I'm taking fire. Reloading.
Another bloody squad. Recharging my shields.
Careful, careful.
Enemy spotted.
Deploying me knuckle cluster.
Nice.
Shut out. Thermite grenade out.
Down one. That's a different guy. Run, 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 run. Go back.
Hold on.
No, bro, no. You gotta go away.
I was bored before you hit the ground.
That's right. We got destroyed by everyone. Yeah, there were too many teams suddenly. It was fun until it wasn't. Melonisa, Melonisa, Melo. Let's go.
Today comes with a serving of big bloody food.
Bro, Watson is something else, huh? So beautiful.
This is your champion. I don't fear anything. Can you say the same?
Can you feel that? The heat of the flame calls to us all.
So good. Oh, you're not feeling so good, kid. What you doing, mate? We're not here to shag spiders. That way, fellas. Move your butt. An enemy landed near me. Cheeky rascal.
Don't die, I'm coming.
Juicing me shields. Zip line here.
Attention. Evo harvesters are online.
Oh.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Launching me knuckle cluster. Come here, little banner.
Gotcha, buddy.
Warning. Movement in progress.
Well, well, well. Looks like I'm inside the ring. Here comes the old knuckle.
Never mind, I couldn't type. Thank you, thank you.
Juicing me shields.
The show will go on. Ah, look. Supplies inbound, my friend. This weapon shines.
Gonna get a high
Let's see your ugly mugs here.
I got bolt. Yeah, cook them. Ah, you gotta get away. You gotta get away. I'm going to the side.
Change posse to here.
There are so many. Liberian girl. I failed.
Your party's not done.
I have no heals, by the way.
I'm
Thank
recharging my
you.
shields.
Oh, I did die this fast.
Friends on sale. I am taking fire.
Yep, okay.
Orchard frag. I need help. Clown here. Here comes the old knuckle buster. I need help. Enemy shield.
Okay, rebel. Let us move.
Is firing.
Oh no, man. Come on. I'm terrible.
What are you doing, mate? We're not here to share fire.
It's all me. You gotta be careful, more teams are coming. I had no heals too. I had nothing. No heals, no ammo.
Hey, we both woke up today. Not a bad start.
Let's go Rampart. Rampart, Rampart. Good morning, guys.
It's time to impress.
This is your champion.
My adversaries are in for a shock. I'm the jump master. Could be worse. Could be someone else.
Where do you wanna go?
Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them. Let's check out over them.
Dang, so many teams.
Come on, mate. Put some speed on and meet here.
Fully in hand. Nothing stopping some enemy shooting through and through. Ink on top of us.
Back. Oh, I got stuck.
I'm letting you taught me a new upgrade.
Thank you.
Come and give it a spin. Giving my shields a reach out.
Thanks there, Cuzzy. Got a minute before she closes?
Thank you.
Ring's closing in 45. It's close. We can go now, go here, whatever. I'm pumped. I'm cover for you, mates. I better heal up.
Oh, I'm getting sandwich. No. One is down. One is here. They are raising lifeline. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. On the door. Give me shield. I'm resing.
Cover for you, mates.
I can't. No ammo. How did they razz each other this fast, man? Oh, what a surprise! What a surprise!
Opponent here. I got a bad guy.
That was so embarrassing, man. He was very overconfident. And when she pushes, there's was. Oh, that was funny. Ahorita al final la cosa. Yo creo que debería haber un aparato para abrir eso, si no es imposible. A mano no se puede abrir.
But I just keep on disappointing him.
Let's get this over with. Shop open soon and I haven't had lunch yet.
Science does not feel. A practice I strive to follow.
Hello, guys.
Introducing your champion.
Run fast, hit fast, win fast.
Here we go, mates. Let's get messy.
They're very low. One's here. He's pushing you. They were all together, man. I was the one who... You got this rampart!
Attention. Evo harvesters are online.
He's a beginner.
Got our mate's banner. Already inside the ring. Time for a cup of Rosie Lee. Call it a day. Getting shot at. Tossing up some amp cover.
Yes. Behind you. Behind you. Yep. He's nervous. No problem. No problem.
Hostile over
No
there.
problem at all. It happens sometimes. And he's only 28 level, which is normal.
Here's hoping neither of us get the hiccups during this bonanza. Come for revenge?
Good morning. He placed her covers very well. Yes, she did great. I saw so many beginners don't know how to pick a banner.
Introducing your champion.
All right. Have you guys liked the stream?
Guess I'm the jump master.
Please do it if you didn't.
Actually. Desperation. All right, mates. We could try here or die somewhere else. Here we go, mates. Let's get messy.
Are you ready to kill all of them?
Yes.
Let's go. I'm gonna go here.
Headed over there. Use your eyes. Enemy landed close by. Everything's looking real pretty now.
Weapons enhanced. Now let's leave a mark on the world.
Right in front of me. There ain't much.
Play with me. Play with me. Play with me. They're gonna come.
Cover for you, mates. Taking my cover out of here.
Enemy taken down.
Putting up some amp cover. Shield broke. Throwing thermite. Giving my shields a recharge.
Careful, careful, careful.
Tossing up some amped cover. Shield broke. Hold on.
Enemy taken down.
Nice.
Enemy shield broke. Amp cover's getting backed up. Amp cover for you, mates.
Oh, I'm dead.
Ring's close. 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mate. Putting up some amped cover.
Play on me. I gotta heal.
I have to heal.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Just don't die.
Amped cover's gone.
I don't have ammo.
Moving on the map.
Amped cover for you, mates. Frag out.
Careful there above.
Get my cover out. An enemy's shield. Enemy taken down.
Only one left. Only one left.
Enemy down. Shot at.
This is so stupid, man. We're trying to punch each other. Yo, can you give me 2 batteries? I have infinite thing.
Yeah, I only have.
And just a weapon. I got no ammo.
Oh, nothing does me better than an LMG. Give me a sec. Healing.
Bolt here. Energy ammo here. Light arsenal here for all your light gun needs. Half the squads remain.
Push there. Those fools won't
Push
know
them.
what hit 'em.
My weapon is cooler now because it's in hand. Zipline deployed.
We just need a battery. One more battery. Here we go. Nice. I have a battery, extra battery if you want. I don't need.
Shield battery here.
I don't need. I have unlimited.
Trident here. Let's go for a ride. The wheel is mine. Jumpy jump.
They were fighting here. Get the high ground.
Nothing round here for putting up some amplifiers.
Ah, my bad, man. My bad.
Better take a ball and jump.
I'm sorry. My bad.
No problem.
Come on, mate. I hardly touched
Nice.
ya.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
I see an enemy.
Why it took too long? Like, was going non-stop with the zip. I couldn't get away. Na-da-dun, da-da-dun, 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 dun, dun. Mm-hmm.
Nah, built some guns, stole leftovers from Witt's fridge. Made them tipped off.
This is your champion.
Good morning, guys.
I'm Jumpmaster. Here we go. Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
Nobody comes here.
Look at that Blanca over there. No idea they're about to die.
Bless me with sight. Better stabilize it. Level 2.
in here for a second.
Huh. Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
I am taking fire. Bless me with sight. Flattening the enemy. I craft an unscoped shield. Reloading. Recharging my shields.
1 minute. Ring's close. Plenty of time to jam.
Second set.
Toss it a friend.
Enemy taking fire.
Recharging my shields.
Cover the area. Half a minute. Ring is near.
Bullseye.
Got me.
What the heck?
Nice
Where
shot,
was he? Ah, he was next to me. What's here?
Buddy.
Scanning the area.
10 seconds until the ring closes.
Here, this one.
There's one.
Let us catch them on
Right here. In the corner. Right here. No, 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 behind you.
Enemy here. Mates, check out this way.
I broke an opponent's shield.
Oh my god, I suck. It was all me. I didn't see that guy on my left side, dude. How could it be? I didn't see him. Hey, lifeline.
Don't worry. The sun will rise on all of us, Ate. This is gonna be a good fight.
Introducing your champion. It's my turn this time.
Time to kill.
Minus one opponent.
Last land's got your back. I need a weapon.
Sorry guys, I wasn't here.
Take dog. He'll fix you up.
Someone took first blood from
Recharging
me.
my shield. One sec.
Right on time.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far.
Forward now.
I can do that.
Reload.
Recharging my shield. One sec.
Rings far. Only got a minute.
Champion eliminated.
Good. Champion out.
Ring closes in 45. far, so no time to sit this unattended.
Enemy taken out. Hey, Doc, come on back.
Recharging my shield.
More team coming.
We'll be toasted by the rain if we don't move.
He's one shot. He's low.
Now this is something to celebrate.
But I could use the cover.
No worries, no worries. Thank you.
R99 here.
My weapons in hand, ready to dance. I need shotgun ammo. Let's attack him there. Got some extra munitions here. Backpack here. Leather too. Shield battery here.
Just try and escape.
Let's glide.
Get in the damn car. Avoid us nicely again. That's enough of you.
New kill leader. Wonder what the fight was.
Let's just medkit here. Phoenix.
Let's attack him there.
No escaping me.
That place has seen action.
Thanks.
I didn't do it for you.
Let's glide, Doc. Shield battery here. Shield's broke. Shoot him. Throwing
I think I hear enemies.
Throwing
Far, but
ox
making
down.
lots of noise.
Frog out. Frog out. Thermite grenade out. Reloading. Broke the shield now. Say what? Whole squad knocked.
That's one less kill I get thanks to you.
Hands up, ramped up.
Hostile right here. We've got another squad. Just giving my shield a recharge. Lifelines got your back. Halos out. Get inside and get right, alright? That's an upgrade. I'm gonna put it to use. Lighting myself up. Your shield now.
Where you going?
All your feet. Lifelines got your back. On my way. Dogs coming here.
Recharging my shield. One sec.
Oh man. Help me.
And now, regroup here.
I die. No.
Attention. The kill leader has been.
I was full team. GG's.
Path's chosen. Got an idea where it is.
Alright guys, I'll be back later.